Nothing. You have to remove your battery, put it back after 10 minutes.
I have removed the battery when I was inside. That's why. Maybe.
That's why.
Which is dead, no?
That's why. Reset.
What is that?
That's my camera. Put your hand in.
I have already this one.
But can I share files before you leave today?
We can.
Perfect.
You can take my SD copy and then we.
Done. So you have time, right, after the ride? 10 minutes.
Yeah, it's okay. We can.
Perfect.
How do you know about the protection?
No protection, only grip. Good grip. Mountain bike. Treat the Himalayan like a bike. Mountain bike.
The signal is like we are invisible.
Nice, right? Yeah, totally stealth.
Yeah. I was riding behind you. I was checking you.
He just went to Ladakh, just returned, and he's running the Mitas. I don't really remember the name of the model, but it's a universal dual purpose tire. A real nice tire. Fantastic tire. I mean, it's like the perfect example of a dual purpose tire. So the earth is all wet and gooey, and it's extremely difficult to hold traction today. But it's fun, equally fun.
Up. The rain.
Just last week, dry ground.
It's like that, Hill. The landscape can change every day. I have the same when I do my riding there.
Okay.
With raining season, you have to expect changes. Huh?
Yeah. We'll climb that up and see. Yeah, that's a plan.
Okay.
We'll see if we can figure a way out.
Okay.
We have to get to that. Are you having fun?
Yeah, with the sand at the beginning, it wake you up.
Exactly.
Because the handlebar keeps shaking.
Yes, then you get used to it.
Yeah,
slowly get used to that.
You have to stay loose.
Yes, neutral body.
Loose, yeah, exactly.
that's Yusuf trying out the Hemi.
Ben is going to test my custom version with